Hi, I'm Richard. I work as an account manager up in Newcastle. I'm 47. Last year I decided to go for MSP treatment and I never looked back. I started noticing my hair loss when I was in my late teens, to be fair. Just a little parts of it started to go into the corners. I didn't really worry about it. It didn't really start to bother us probably until I was coming into my late sort of 20s. When I first walked in, I was greeted by me technician Sabina, who really put me at ease straight away. My impression of Manchester Clinic, that was very friendly, it was very warm, and I also liked that it was private consultation rooms. It felt like it was like a proper one-to-one.
On Richard's final top-up session, we have a close-up look at the whole microscalp pigmentation treated area. We check if ink is perfectly blended with existing hair, if any fading occurred, and if hairline needs any minor adjustments. The ink is completely healed from previous sessions. By applying a spread layer of a darker shade of ink, we achieve volume and texture and still keep a soft look and uniformed finish.
Another reason why I went with Vinci is because obviously they have a 1-year warranty, so I literally felt like I was in safe hands. So if something wasn't quite going how I wanted it to go, I knew I was backed up and I knew I had the support there. Not that I needed it though. The results have been so subtle and natural. My best friend Scott works as a professional tattoo artist and he couldn't believe it. He couldn't believe that it was actually a tattoo. I feel, like I say, so much more confident. I feel much more like me again. I think that's probably one of the most important things out of it. My only regret about doing about the micro scalp pigmentation is that I didn't do it years before. Go and do it. You won't regret it. Pick up the phone, make an appointment.